Hey guys, this is halfway through the Northern Walk. So what we've seen so far is some pretty steep inclines on the stairs, and we're only at the halfway point. It is a faster way to go, but it's pretty obvious to me that the Southern Walk is a more mobility friendly walk than the Northern Walk. Hey guys, so here we are at Buderim Falls again. That is a much faster walk than the Southern Walk. So that took about maybe 6 minutes from the top down to the bottom. So if you can handle going back up, it is a faster way than the Southern Falls. It is a further way, it is a closer walk than the Southern Walk. Okay guys, we're about to head back up, so I'll let you know how we go. Hey guys, so we've reached the top. It took about 8 minutes from the bottom to the top. Much harder walk going back up as I thought. The southern entrance is a lot easier for anyone. I've said it a few times now. But if you want to go this way, it's a lot faster. You can basically be in and out in 20 minutes if you really wanted to be. So I'll leave it up to you guys to decide whether you want to come to Buderim Falls through the southern entrance or the northern entrance. I've done both for you guys to have a look at now, so let us know which one you went with. We'll see you in the next one.